channel. If you're new here, hey, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Brittany. Here on my channel, I like to discuss my past, my life, and my journey with the hopes of inspiring and motivating and providing personal development tips that resonate with women and girls who have similar backgrounds to myself. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be trying out magnetic lashes for the very first time. I've been wearing lashes for about, I would say about 5 years. I don't consider myself a pro. I've always had trouble getting them on. I've always had trouble applying them and making sure that they're straight and pretty. Sometimes, well, majority of the times I fail and just ended up using mascara. My natural lashes are long enough, but when you want that extra oomph, you want to, you know, make it cute and put on lashes or whatever. I thought it would be cool to try the magnetic lashes. I mean, the concept sounds like it's perfect if it works. So I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. I picked up some promagnetic lashes by Eylure. I think that's the name of it, but these are it. It says that they are faux mink lashes, easy application, 15 wears. The first step is to apply 3 coats of liner across the entire length of the lash. The second step is to allow the layer to dry completely. And the third step is to apply lashes directly to liner and press to secure. So we're gonna see if these actually work. Just opening it. If you see me looking down, I'm gonna be looking at my mirror here that my babe caught me. I'm sorry, I had to go run and get my tweezers. So this is what the magnetic lash liner look like. I hope you guys can see that. So it says do 3. Oh, it looks kind of runny. I like to get very close to my lash line whenever I'm applying lash liner. It says 3 coats, but I'm just going back and forth over it because it's still wet. This seems like some really good lash eyeliner by itself, alone, without it being like magnetic. I already like the look. It never fails. When I do one eye right, I never get the other one done straight. The struggle. Gonna go over it one more time. My eyelashes are getting in the way. My real ones, that's how long they are. I'm not gonna lie, I put this liner on really good. Like, I love this. Normally, I don't work too well with liquid eyeliners, but this was very easy to use. I'm doing one more coat. Just to make sure. You guys, I really want this to work. Okay, so we're gonna wait until it dries completely. Okay, so while we let it dry, we're gonna have a Brittany break. So if you're enjoying this content so far, please do one of the following. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, or leave a comment below in the comment section for me or one of my friends. I also want to give a shout out to another Black-owned business. This business is called Sage Treasures. You can find them on Instagram. I will link their information below, but I was able to pick up a cute bracelet set. These are sold separately, but I wanted the stacking version. So if you like what you see, please hit this company up. I'm gonna show you. Hit this company up and get your set as well. They take orders. You can get them custom made, or you can choose from what they already have. But yes, let's support our Black-owned businesses. It's very pretty. This eyeliner is really pretty by itself. Oh my God. It looks so good, just alone. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if it's ready. Okay, it feels dry. There's no residue on my hand or my finger. All right, so oh, it's really magnetic. Oh my goodness, it's sticking to my tweezers. I need to figure out the left and the right. Okay. So my inner. So here's the lash. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Not okay. I don't think I put enough liner at the edge of this for it to stick properly, so I'm gonna put some more. Ooh. A thicker coat. Hopefully that doesn't mess me up. I'm gonna go ahead and try the other eye because I think the coat is thicker on that one already. The liner is thicker on that one already. It's wanting to stick to my tweezers. Oh my God. Oh my God, it is actually working. I'm just pinching it together. Oh my gosh. I hope this one is dry. I'm ready to see the finished product. Oh, that worked perfect. Oh my gosh. They're so light and airy. They're not heavy. You know when you put on lashes and you feel like you can see them? I don't have that effect at all. They look so pretty. That was so easy. Oh my gosh, and it changed my look drastically. Like it really enhanced my eyes and everything. They were so easy to put on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come closer.